to my channel. I am Brittany, and today I am going to show you guys how I achieve these green, purple, glittery nails. I don't know, it's March. I've been in this whole green mood lately. I don't know if some of you are watching from the I Love Nails group on Facebook, then you probably know I am just like crazy about glitter, holographic glitter, everything of that sort. So first I'm going to be applying my base coat, and this is by the, I think it's ASVP. I got it at Sally's, so I'm not a big fan of their top coat. I love this base coat, but I'm not a big fan of the top coat simply because it's that, you know, it has that tacky layer on top, so I ain't cool with that. So right here I am taking the ECS, I believe, I don't know, the ECBasket, there we go, the ECBasket nails, coffin nails in clear. I have the brand I have McCart's brand, but I don't have those in clear, and I kind of wanted that glassy look, so yeah, I'm just using these actually work pretty darn well, and they are on. But in the video, as you guys can see, I am struggling to keep this on because it's not gonna stick. I'm having a hard time sticking them to the base coat. So some of them you're gonna see me like pop off and redo, and some of them are crooked, and I had to go in and redo it, and it was just so much going on here. And I just want to go ahead and put out a disclaimer. I am not a professional. I have been practicing doing nails for the past, what, 2 months, almost 2 months now. So these are really trial and errors for me. This is my first time applying full covered tips as nail tips. So yeah, so I'm just, you know, rocking with it. Now I'm going with the Mobray, I believe. I probably butchered the hell out of that name, but I'm going with that brand Polygel, and that's gonna act as my like my nail bed color, and it's in the shade pink. Now this doesn't look pink to me. It's more on camera it looks pretty natural, I guess, for the most part, but I don't know, I'm just getting more of like purple vibes off of this. So yeah, that was kind of more of what I was going for. It was like the purpley vibes, but in the end it ended up looking pretty natural. So I think it's a very beautiful nail bed color. So this isn't my first time dabbing into Polygel, but this is my first time using this Polygel with the actual solution that comes with it. I don't like it. As you guys can see, I'm having a hard time like just keeping it. I kind of like it when it's a little pasty. I usually use alcohol with it, but honestly, I don't know. It's just too everywhere for me. So I was having a very hard time keeping this still and just evening everything out. It was terrible. Now this part of the clip is probably going to be a little bit long, but I just decided to keep it in because I wanted you guys to see that it's okay, you know, the end result still came out good. Definitely want to make sure that you do keep it pretty neat, you know, but for the most part it's okay to, you know, fuck up. So I did cure it. I did my thumb first and cured it, and now I'm going on to the other hand. I made a messed up decision. Like, I don't know if it's this hand or the other hand, but one of them, I had a little ball of Polygel sitting on it because I like to transfer it. Like if it's too much on one finger, I'll take the excess and just transfer it to another finger. And I ended up curing my freaking thumb with and forgot all about the Polygel sitting over there. So it cured into like a ball type of look. So, and instead of me just, but instead of me just, redoing it or anything, I just decided to put polygel over it. But thank God it is polygel and not acrylic, because it would have been hell. And a little tip for anybody who is not experienced with polygel, you definitely want to make sure that you cure these nails, like probably one at a time. I'm doing mine like 2 at a time, but definitely cure them before really moving on to the next nail, because these things will slide. I mean, and if you're clumsy like me, you're gonna touch it, like another finger is just gonna move on over there and it's gonna mess it up, and then it's just too much. So to avoid having to do more work, just cure it as you go. Now I'm just gonna take a lint-free wipe, which, by the way, these aren't really fucking lint-free. But anyway, I'm gonna take this and spray some alcohol on it. And I did cure the polygel. You want to make sure that you cure it, but there is a tacky layer that sits on top, so you want to make sure that you take some alcohol and just wipe that off. Now going in with my 100-180 grit file, I'm just gonna file that off. And these files, I believe, okay, this one is by Macart, I believe. It probably is. I don't know. I can't really see the logo. But if it is, I did not realize I had one by Macart. What? Oh, yeah, because I did buy that. Okay, yeah. Never mind. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm stupid. Yeah. This is a Macart file. And because the polygel is so easy to file, this is super simple. It's glitter time. So I'm taking these 2 glitters. I have a very big chunky one, which is the thicker one, and it has some purple iridescent, kind of hollow, I guess you could say, circles in them. And then I have a smaller version of that, not the same kind, but the green one that you guys saw, I have that one too. So I'm gonna do like an ombre sort of effect with it. I don't know if you guys have some tips for me, you could throw down in the comment section. How do you get, as you guys can see right here, I'm having a hard time getting the chunkier glitter to kind of stick. The green one did perfectly fine. I love that one, but this one is not. I did take some clear acrylic, and I dipped into the clear acrylic and then dipped it to the chunky glitter, and that's how I'm applying it. But throughout this whole process, you guys will see me just only applying the chunky glitter with just with a little bit of monomer on my brush. I tried so many different techniques to apply that one, but nothing seems to work. It just slides, nothing really sticks. So if you guys know any tips and tricks of how I can apply it without it being so just sliding all over the place, because it was very hard for me to get that purple off my brush. So now that I'm watching this video, I do notice that I was very stingy when it came to this glitter. On my right hand, I was actually not as stingy, and you guys are not going to see me do my right hand. But I was, actually applying it. On my left hand, I was very stingy. I guess because I didn't really know what I was going to be doing with this look. I just knew that I wanted to use glitter, but I didn't know exactly how I was going to make it happen, So for the index finger and the index finger and the pinky finger, I am using this glitter, glittery green. It's just pretty much a shimmery, glittery green gel polish. I'm not sure how to pronounce that name, so I'm not even gonna try, but I got this from Amazon, and it was like in a 12, I believe it was a 12 color pack. They are so gorgeous, very beautiful, very, very, very beautiful colors. And I thought I just wanted to do all with the chunky glitter, but honestly I decided not to because of the purple. The purple kind of just turned me off. It was just very hard to get that on there. And you guys seen that I had some little like rhinestone stuff out. I was gonna encapsulate some of them, but I just couldn't find nothing. I didn't want to go in with gold. A lot of that, I didn't have a lot. Like, I don't know what I was trying to do with this. This kind of gives me like a cute little mermaid, vibe to it, but I didn't have anything. Like, I really wanted like little seashells and stuff, which I do have, but it's only gold. That is the end of this video. I went ahead and added some bling to it, and I did cap the nail in clear acrylic. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.